For effective work, it's crucial to quickly find the necessary information. That's why InDoc EDGE supports various search methods, from simple general search and content search to the use of dedicated search engines and the creation of advanced search queries. Let's first look at general search and content search. The search bar at the top of the screen allows you to search for documents by title, content, or metadata. This is a quick and easy way to find the information you need. InDoc EDGE searches from the current folder onwards through the document structure. For example, if you start searching from the desktop, it will search the entire organization for the information you need. However, if you want to focus on a specific area, you can use one of the folders or case folders in that area as your search starting point. Search results will only show documents, case folders, and folders that you have access to, so you won't accidentally see confidential information you're not authorized to see. Once you've found the document with the desired information, you can also easily search within the content, which is especially useful for larger documents. In the Content Viewer, select the search icon and initiate the search, then simply review the highlighted sections containing the searched information. The search engine in InDoc EDGE is a powerful tool that enables us to work efficiently, especially once we learn how to use different search methods to get results quickly.